Well, recently, somebody was asking me to link them a video I made 5 years ago or so when I was adjusting the rear brake calipers on this car. And I was quickly reviewing that video when I made the link, and then remembered that the rear anti-roll bar bushings were absolutely beyond shot. So I figured, since we're 5 years down the road on this, kicking the can down the road here, I should probably maybe replace those now. I figured, of course, as we can see, just by touching those, they basically disintegrate. And I'm all about not wasting money, so we can see I've got a new link on there, and I'm not going to be spending money on shipping and waiting from an Alfa Parts specific supplier, since there is nothing special about an anti-roll bar link whatsoever. So I measured the proper dimensions that the anti-roll bar link needs to be, and ordered this from Energy Suspension. There are other suppliers that supply a link that is identical. Moog and other places make comparable links. Again, nothing special, and you don't have to be a rocket scientist to figure out that an anti-roll bar link is nothing special. So anyway, we assemble, put it together, tighten it down, and we are good to go. 40 bucks later. Anyway, this video is mostly just a reminder for myself to remember, oh yes, I did actually do those anti-roll bars links. So anyways, and yeah, order yourself a set of those if you got crappy rear bushings. Don't spend 50 bucks on shipping from an Alfa specific place. Just get yourself some end links. There's nothing special about them. Anyway, bye for now.